Hello, sir.
Yes, please, Naomi.
Sir, please. I'm kind of lost. When we open the browser, what should we do again?
When you open the browser, let me send you the link again. Where is the link? Okay, so when you open your browser, use this link. Oh, it's been sent there. So take that
I'll
link.
send the link.
Okay. So thank you. Naomi, take it from there, then you paste that link in your browser. Now,
Okay, thank you.
you're welcome. When you paste that link, click on DNS. We are going on DNS first. Click on DNS. We want to know our target organization, their IP address, and their uh. So please, whenever I refresh the page, the TNS. Why is it so? Okay. Now, see, have you opened Naomi? I want to. I want you to come to our level so we continue. Are you there?
No, please.
Okay. Now let me. Have you gotten to this particular page yet?
No, I'm using a PC, so I'm now typing there.
Okay. Okay. Now, T L T L. Please don't stop talking.
Please, I'm there. So where should I press again?
Click on DNS. DNS.
DNS. Oh,
And first type any domain name you have. So me, I used Jumia. I target
Jim. Oh,
dot com.
Hello.
Maxwell, your line is
Network was breaking. My line was breaking, so I didn't get.
okay. Now, are you
Yes,
on the
please.
same page with us? Like, are you here? Are you on the DNS page with us?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So then we can continue. I'm starting afresh from here. Okay. Now on the DNS page, we have our first bar. Here, we are going to look at the IP address, the internet protocol address of our host name. So I will just type any host name. So which host name again? Um, oh, so let me see, facebook.com. Okay, so this is the IP address for facebook.com. Now, the name of the directory is here. Very fine. The TTL, this is what it means. Time to live. Okay, now they've actually set a time whereby the let me say the time of transmitting data in their network. So it keeps on changing, and some have set it to let me say minutes interval, seconds interval. So the TTL, you can come again and it has changed. It is time to live, the time of transmitting data in that particular network. So it's the lifespan, actually the lifespan of that network. So that TTL keeps changing. the same organization, you will come back and the TTL has changed. But the IP address, that's where the resources doesn't change. It will change when they change the IP address. Maybe they've changed it for some reason. That's when it's going to change. But every time you go and come, so let's go and come again. The Facebook. Let me go back. DNS. Then come again. I should have the same but a different time to leave. TTL. Okay, now you will see on top here we have DNS facebook.com DNSA. Okay, you click on debug. The code you are seeing is their IP address configuration. The code you are seeing right now is their IP address configuration. So you can see the IP address inside here 31.13.93.35. And you can see as the moment we log in, they have a TTL of 266. It's also here. They have their query here. They have their ID. So they have these their vital things here, and you can see it. This we are using is a hacking tool. So that's why you are able to see this. So you can see. Is someone talking? Right, let's continue. So you can see everything. Everything is bare to you. So with this important detail, this is where you are going to launch your attacks to. When we actually also get hacking software. Okay, let this one will take a long time. It could appear when you take your time.
Then,
Yes, please, Claudia.
when you were putting the host name, I noticed that you kept GH there, but with the Facebook, I didn't see any GH on it. The Jumia one.
Yes, because I'm using Jumia Ghana. So Jumia Ghana, that's the address. Jumia.com.gh. Do you get it?
Yes. So and with the .com too, is it all the host names that contain .com?
No, 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 no. It depends on the host name you are using. It depends on the we have a
So
lot.
you have to know the host before, like
Yes,
the host name before you.
yes. So let me use eugene.edu.gh. So there's a UG's IP, yes, the DNS, the IP address, Internet Protocol. They have 197.225.125.213, and your current time to leave is 21600. This is for UG.
Sir, the time to leave is it could it be possible that two different organizations will have the same thing because the ECG has the same thing with that of the one you are using.
The same thing.
The same hold on the TTL.
Yes. So the question you are trying to say?
I'm saying that is it possible for two organizations to have the same TTL?
Yes. The TTL is just numbers that are randomly generated. It's not unique. Please. It's not unique. You get it?
Yes.
Okay, it's not unique. So you can get the same TTL for maybe multiple organizations. It's not unique. It's not like this organization should have. What is unique is the IP address. That's what we are looking at. So you see, UG's debug code is here. We have their directory. That's the uj.edu.gh here. We have their ID here, 33848. We have the IP address. Yes. So this is also their um, IP address and their debug code. You can try as many as you want. Any company you want to gather. Please, you don't just watch. If you want to do something with them, you just write it down. Their vital. You write it down. Okay,
Understood.
let's try here. Let's try this. Jumia.com. Okay, here we are actually going to see. So we are seeing the IPv6. What we saw is the IP address. That's the general IP address. But when we say IPv6, it is the most current or the most recent version of the internet protocol that communicates in a particular network. So this one provides the identification and the location and even the traffic routes across the internet. One, the IPv6, this is what it does. When you use IPv6 of an organization to target it, you get their identification, their location, their traffic routes. So when you talk about their identification, they have a unique identification number one. They have their location system, where they are located, where their servers are located. Two, you also know their route traffic. So route traffic means where people visit from. So when I say Jumia, people visiting Jumia, where are they from? So you see this one is from Togo, this one is from northern region, this one is from Accra, this one is from. So you'll be seeing all those things. That's what the IPVS V6 does. It's called Internet Protocol version 6, the most recent version of the Internet Protocol, the IPv6. So here you can see it has a lot of information here. A lot of information. You use this information, you'll be required to use this information in your attack. When you launch your attacking software, you'll be required to provide these informations. Okay.
So, sir, how did you get the IPv6 IPv on the on your interface?
So the DNS here, use the second one. So the second one says look up the IPv6 address on a host name pointer. So you just type, not the first one, the second one. The second,
Okay, then I'll tell the same host name,
yeah,
right?
so you type the name. So maybe let me say melcom.com. Then I click on it. So this is the IPv6 of Melcom. The whole information I need to know. This is it. This is also their debug code. So with this code, you can attack, inject a lot of things to their system if their system is not protected. Okay. So you can do that one, those two for a lot of organizations you wish to do and know a lot of them. Okay, so this one to look up the host name and IP address points at. So here you can actually type an IP address of a host. Maybe you know a company, you know the IP address, but you don't know their host name. You can come and type their host name here, then it will point to the you can type the IP address here, then it will point to the host name of that company. Yeah, I don't have any IP address. I would have tried. Okay, now
197.
we are going to the servers which actually send their mails. You see, every organization has a certain server which handles the emails it sent. So those in your various universities, you have your public affairs be sending you informations. The server it passes on. Okay, so you say I should search for, I should type. Okay, let me see. Jumia dot okay, let's see. Oh, let me go back. So let me pick this. Which one to type an IP
Yes,
address?
sir, it actually worked.
Okay, okay. So you see, I picked Facebook IP address. Then you see, Facebook is giving me the host name of Facebook. It's saying facebook.com with their server name, Edge Star Mini. This is their server name, Edge Star Mini, blah blah blah, facebook.com. Okay, now let's continue. You can actually don't end here. Go and explore more. You have to be more interested, like exploit. You have to be more curious. So try as many organizations as you want. Now the main thing here also I want us to look is mail. So what handles their main? Every mail they send is passes through a particular server. Every mail they send in a particular organization, it passes through. And when you get this mail server, you can hack it, and when they send a mail, you can get it. Okay. So the domain name, let's use with domain name, which people use any domain name you want. So let me say I'm using maybe google.com. Okay, now this is the server Google passes its email. So you will see the Google server, all those having Gmails. This is the server it passes on, smtp.google.com. Everyone who is having a Gmail, there is a server. So when a hacker hack this server, whoever is using Gmail is affected.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
I had three different distance,
yes. It
three
means
different.
it means that particular organization is using three different servers. Some organization they have
Okay,
more servers. It means they are using,
okay.
yes. Let me
So
see.
this, so this one, as you want to launch an attack, which one are you going in for? Because you don't really know which one they are really using. The result one is level 31, 20, and 110.
It depends on you. You also as a hacker you should try any of them, all of them.
All right.
Yeah, you should have options. So this is the mail server of Eugene. They are using Microsoft Outlook. So Eugene is using Microsoft server to send mails. So the mails you've been receiving, they pass through Microsoft server. So all your mails are from Microsoft. Eugene is using a Microsoft server. That's the Outlook. mail.protection.outlook.com. So eugene-ado.mail.protection.outlook.com. This is what your university is using. You can try a whole lot of, let me see, for those for Jumia people too. .com. Okay. Okay. So these people too, their mail server is hostmaster.nic. Hostmaster. This is their debug code. So this is the hostmaster server they are using. So all these hacking tips you'll be seeing, people will be typing this. It is this. It is just this. Let me show you Jumia. Oh. So yeah. You see the hackers will be typing these codes. Is this? They pick this. and they will be typing this .com, SOE, they will be typing this vital information before they launch the attack. These are very vital informations from here, very vital. The dot, you see com.gh means they are operating, the server is operating from Ghana. So when he or she is launching the attack, knows the country is going straight. Doesn't mean, it doesn't need to wonder. Knows the server name, everything is here. We just launch the attack and they are doomed. And their system, if their system is not protected, don't think what you are seeing or you've gotten their details to, so you can automatically hack them. No, they might also be protected. You might know them, their secrets, but you might not be able to enter. You might need extra softwares, extra hard work, extra weeks and months before you can also break them. But those with weak systems, you can launch your attack. But the most important thing is for you to get these technical informations about them. Let's also look out for a test record for a host name. So Jumia2 test record. Okay, so this is their test record. Oh, it means in Jumia they are using a Facebook verification, means we can log in to Jumia using your Facebook account. You can log into Jumia using your Google account. So these are the verification Facebook is using, Jumia is using. This is their verification key. These are, note, these are very vital secret information you are seeing. You want to launch attack, these are the technical information you will need.
Hello, sir. The organization that I use, the results I saw VIN equals SEF1, then something plenty. What about that one too?
Yes, so that's also their key. Their key they are using.
Okay.
Yes. Don't expect to see the same thing I'm seeing, please. We are all using different organizations, so be expecting something different. If you're, because you can also see something same, because some people also use Facebook authentication and Google authentication. Yes. Okay. Oh, let's check their debug code. I didn't check it. Their debug code. Their debug code. So this is their debug code. This is a very vital key. These keys, very vital. Secret key you are seeing like that. A very secret key. Whenever a hacker wants to read, the hacker will come here and generate these keys. So on the top here, it's written internal debug code. The code they've written, you've actually debugged it, and you are seeing their internal keys. These are all keys, very vital, secret keys you are seeing. These keys, they don't share it. Only hackers can get access to these keys, then use to attack them. But note, you getting access to these keys doesn't grant you automatically that you can hack them. Maybe they are also protected. You will need to do a lot more work. All right, let's move. Okay, so let's also find which name servers are responsible for their domain name. Name servers responsible. Jumia people. I don't hate them, oh please. I'm just using for example.
And the way you're using them, I'm scared. I'm scared, sir.
No. I oh, I'm this one. I type Jumbo people too are there. I don't mean Jumbo. Oh, let me use Facebook. Facebook.com. Okay. Okay, so this is their DNS, the domain name servers they are pointing to. So for Facebook, they are using 4. DNS, CNS, ANS, BNS. Their domain name servers they are using. This is the domain name servers they are using for Facebook. So if if Facebook want to change its domain name or want to change a server, he will log into the server, then edit these, the DNS, CNS. They will just edit one of these, then they will change their service. Please, let's look to their debug code. So this is their debug code for all of them. Their debug code. If no question, very quick, let's move on. I want this.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Hello. So does it mean that the hacker would create similar keys code or just different or just decide to mix with different keys? I don't understand that. But you said the hacker will create another key code. I don't know whether it will be similar key codes or different from
Now,
the.
what you are saying, every information you've gotten here is specifically for the organization you want to hack. So you are going to use this information to attack them. You can't change anything about this information. This is their information. So whatever you are attack you are going to launch, you will need these informations. These are technical informations. You need them to launch your.
Okay.
Okay. Now, very quick. I don't want us to rejoin again. This is our last session, so I want to make it very quick. Now, domain name. You can find a record of a particular domain name. So let me say Facebook. Oh, maybe you didn't see. Let me show that some people will see. Now click on authentication. Authentication. Yes.
Kevin, when you are at the forum, you can even use the authentication over there to come.
Yes. Okay. Then click on check. Okay. So you can see it. These are the addresses Facebook only allow their email addresses to be sent to. These are very vital information. You can click on raw so that you copy this information. You can click on DNS. Helpful lot. Their verification keys are here. So these are verification keys they give it to people or system that wants to use their verification system. They give this thing to them. Their debug code too is here. Very very long one. Very long debug code. Okay. Now your assignment, go and explore at least 10 companies. 10 companies. 10 companies.
Yes.
On our next meeting, we are going to learn something new. Go and explore 10 companies. Get your hands on these things. Go through and study them well. This is the software you'll be using to get this technical information. Please, any question before we end the class?
Please. Hello.
I'm listening, please.
Please. If you want to know the IP address of like any of your device or not organization or any company, so
Okay,
how are you going to go about it?
your own device.
Like not your own device, different device.
Different device. So you can use, I think, that one is very cheap. You can use Google. So you can say you use that particular if you don't have access to that particular device, it's going to be a bit difficult. You only need let me say extra software to penetrate the network that device is using. But if you are using that device, you just go to Google and type my IP address, they'll give it to you. So you go
But
to
if you are not using the device,
yes, that's what I mean.
means that okay.
That's what I mean. You would have to tap into the network that device is using, then tap that network so that you so if you want to know your own IP address, just go to Google, type my IP address. They will give it to you. I just typed mine and mine is showing. If you want to know your
Okay, thank you.
So I also tried one and they said I failed something, couldn't retrieve something. But when I tried the other one, it came plenty.
eh what machine?
I tried with a mobile phone, but I tried one, it came. But I tried different organizations too, it didn't come.
Okay. Yes. So you see, some people are more expert in these terms, and some people know that some people have hackers in the organization. That's white hack. They blank this information. You can't see them. So when you get organization that deals with very delicate information, that one forget. For you to
I was
get
trying the ministry.
for you for you to get it, I think you need to have extra tools, like more complex tools. Some organizations they actually protect themselves. Some too they just because they don't have anything to lose, or even if they have something to lose, they don't have the qualified experts to protect them, so they are vulnerable.
So sir, the extra softwares will you provide us with some as time goes on?
Um,
Or
yes, I will check it. You can also research on your own and find extra softwares, then share with your colleagues too. But I'll also send you some too.
all right.
Okay. Thank you very much for joining this class. Go and explore 10 companies, please, on your own. Take your time, explore everything. Okay. Thank you very much for joining this class.